Hi, my name is Joe Wood. I'm I show up everywhere as Thomas because I'm a middle namer, and so when you're the third Thomas in the family, I guess you go by your middle name. Um, where I teach is at Winfield High School. It is a 4A high school in Winfield, Kansas, which is located south and a little east uh, of Wichita, Kansas. The subject that I teach is business finance, and then I also teach health science careers. So this semester I teach Be Your Own Boss, Computer Tech 2, and accounting on the business side, and then for the health science career side, I teach health science careers 2, 3, and 4. So that's kind of a wide variety there, but I guess it goes back to my undergrad degree is in biology, which is where kind of the health science world um, comes from, and then my master's is in business administration. So I guess it gives me a nice little split. So what prompted me to pursue the career in education is I've been a coach for the last 17 years at the college level, and I had taught classes there adjunct as well. And so I didn't do it, it's not too much of a change other than honestly, really the schedule's just significantly different. Instead of being out on a soccer field, I'm in a classroom. Um, and, I really enjoy it. I like the schedule significantly better. I've got 4 kids. Um, my wife and I have a 3 and 4 year old and a 10 and 11 year old, all girls. And so being in the education system puts me on the same schedule as my family. So it's really nice. Um, my hopes for this class is just to continue. I really like this course over the 4 semesters. I think it's nice to kind of have that ability to be observed, reflect. I really like to be evaluated personally. Like I don't. I mean, obviously, I get a little nervous, I guess, but like not not much whatsoever. Um, I like the evaluation because I like the feedback. You can think you're doing one way or you think you're coming across this way, and it's just always nice to have someone else's perspective. And so I really value that, and that's one of the things I really like. Is so I guess what I'm hoping for out of this class is just continue to learn and grow um, from my evaluator, and then just kind of reflect. And I feel like this program has given me so much information. It's like information overload being a new teacher, and obviously having pretty much every class is a separate prep for me, and with an overload and things like that. And I haven't taken on any coaching responsibilities, and my wife's really happy about that. So one interesting thing about me, um, I mean, I guess having 4 daughters is pretty impressive, to go 4 for 4. Um, and I like to ride my bike. So I do some different bike riding, and I think I'm actually going to try to do a half Ironman triathlon this summer. So we'll see how that goes. There's something interesting. So thanks, and have a great day. Bye bye.